Hey babes, so I am doing my room tour as promised. Thank you for getting me to 100 subscribers. This is why I am posting this video, as a little thank you to everyone. So here's my highly requested room tour. I get messages about my room decor all the time. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it is very Marilyn Monroe themed. So it's very girly. It's not gonna be my room forever. I'm gonna move out again. I've moved out a few times, but this is my current room. So on my bedside table, I just have a few books. I have a candle from Bath & Body Works. I love the vanilla smell. And I also have a frame that my boyfriend got custom engraved with our anniversary. And then, as I said, I have a lot of Marilyn Monroe. So I have the calendar. Every year I get this as a Christmas gift in my stocking. And then I have more Marilyn Monroe. I have a huge collection of Marilyn Monroe pictures, but they're not all in my room since I had a full house to decorate before, and now I downsized to one room, but I will put them back up in my house. And I do have a little space heater because my room gets super cold in the winter. And then I have these light up letters that say love, and then obviously my name. This is a picture of my boyfriend and I on Christmas. I love the black roses as well. They're my favorite type of flower. And then I just have a bunch of little medals I got when I used to be a competitive figure skater, and then some random medals and some tags from Disney World. And then I have some trophies I got. I used to do dance as well, and then some figure skating. And then this is my closet. This is so requested by all of my friends to do because it is color coded by type of clothing. So here you see that I have all my sweaters and long sleeve shirts, starting from the white going into all the colors until green. That's just on one side. And then the other side I keep going with the gray, and then the black with designs, and then all the way down to the black. And then this on the bottom left is my tank tops by type of color, and then my t-shirts by type of color as well. And then I have all my purses, and then my favorite designer purses. These are just on display like this for now. I'm going to probably get a big clear glass shelf for them when I move back out. So I have my Coco Chanel, of course, some iconic pieces. And then I have some shoes on display. Most of my shoes are at work for the high-heeled, so the ones that you see on the top shelf at the moment. Those are all at work, but this is the ones that I have at home. And then a few of my little booties. Some are downstairs because I obviously use them during the day to go to work and to come home. Then I have some baskets at the top. I have some scarves in there, some electronics, some umbrellas, just kind of junk I want to hide. And then I have my club dresses on the right going into my skirts, and then my summer dresses and all the dresses I wear at work on the end of that rack. And this, of course, is all my shoes, the ones I'm not using right now because it's not summertime. I have some Crocs because who doesn't have a pair of Crocs? And then I have my little desk. So this is where I used to do all my homework when I was still in school. I have my perfumes. Obviously, this is where I do my makeup in the morning because I'm facing the window. And even though it's the winter, I am drinking an ice cap, as Canadians will understand. And then this is my little perfume section with my Himalayan salt lamp. And then this is one of my makeup drawers. So this is just my daily makeup. I obviously don't use this every day because I have way too much stuff, but this is where I store all of my daily makeup, plus the little bag that's in my purse you guys saw in my What's in My Purse video. And then these are all my little jewelries. So I have my earrings, my bracelets, my body piercings, a few designer ones as well, and then some watches and some earrings. And then this is my little bathroom. So I do have my own bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms, but this is the one that I use the most, so I just call it mine. And then underneath, I do try to organize it as best as I can because I am just a clean freak and I have severe OCD, as you can tell. So I do have some bath bombs in here. This Jergens moisturizer for wet skin is like the best moisturizer ever. Then I have some baby powder because who doesn't? And of course some bubble bath. So this is just one I got from Avon, apricot scented. I got that as a gift a few years back, and I don't really use that one. I have another one I use. I don't know why I don't keep it in here. And then of course I have some nose strips, some Sephora face masks. And then I have this black mask for my face. This is the one that takes off all the blackheads. I got that online, so they're like not name brand. And then this is all my nail polishes. I don't really use them because I get manicure and pedicure, but it's nice to have. And then of course I have some feminine products. And these are all the soaps. You guys saw this in my last video, the one that I ended with about my girls' day with my mother-in-law. So this is just reiterating all the soaps and adding some extra ones like this coconut blossom from Bath & Body Works, of course. And also this salted bergamot. And baby wipes. I mean, if you know, you know, girl. And then this is what I have on my counter. So as I said, Bath & Body Works soap again, warm vanilla sugar, Victoria's Secret body lotion. It's just nice to put on after you wash your hands. This Relax hand and body scrub from Bath & Body Works. And then I have my little Good Luck bamboo and some Poopery because always gotta have that. And then in my little armoire here I have my teeth cleaning stuff. The toothbrush you guys saw was my boyfriend's, and then I have my vitamins and some Q-tips. So in this little bag is all my flossing stuff, and that's about it for my room tour. Thank you so much for watching, and like this video for me to post what's on my iPhone. I believe that's going to be the next video I post, but I do have some good ones coming for you. So definitely subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And I will see you babes in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.